Okay, so guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Elike Adjaklo. So in today's video, as seen in the title, I'll be doing a puff. The product that I'll be using is the Renate Cosmetics styling gel. So basically what I'm going to do is spray some water in my hair, just start applying the gel onto it. But before that, I'm going to take these twists down. So I haven't washed my hair. I'm just going to apply the product on it. I don't know if it makes sense. I have not shampooed my hair in about 2 weeks, but hopefully after this style I am going to shampoo my hair. So my hair was quite dry, so I had to apply Renate Cosmetics leave-in conditioner and natural hair butter into my hair to actually soften my hair for this kind of style. I'm just going to start applying the gel onto my hair, but I'm trying so hard to avoid my edges because I'm going to apply an edge control. Then I spray a little bit of water, not too much. I'm going to brush my hair. Then I'm going to brush my hair again with a hairbrush. Just wrap that around my hair and just start pulling from the back. Then I'm going to pick my edge control, the Renate edge control, and also sleek my edges. So when I'm done sleeking my edges, I go ahead and wrap my hair with a silk scarf. So guys, I'm going to take my scarf off and we'll see the final result. Ooh. Damn. Bye. Okay, so guys, honestly, I'm so beautiful. So this is the final look, guys, and I'm loving every bit of this look, honestly, because my makeup is on point. My hair, oh my god, I just don't know what to say. Let me know in the comment section below if you also like this look. I think this will be the end of the video. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'll leave you guys here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.